Hi, I'm Pete Eppel, Marketing Tech at BMR Suspension.
And I'm Kelly Aiken, Mustang Suspension Specialist. Today we're going to show you BMR's new S550 Mustang Cradle Bushing Lockout Kit for the rear IRS cradle, CB005.
Bushing and cradle deflection are two of the biggest contributors to wheel hop, and wheel hop is an IRS killer. In the past, you had to swap out the soft bushings for polyurethane, Delrin, or aluminum, sacrificing noise and ride quality to get rid of wheel hop. But for the S550, BMR has designed and engineered a kit that not only helps eliminate wheel hop, but there is nearly no NVH gain and it's simple to install.
BMR's CB005's billet aluminum upper bushing lockout rings capture the inner bushing sleeve, front and rear, and the outer lip of the bushing cup on the cradle. The lower bushing locating washers on the front capture the bottom portion of the bushing's inner sleeves. By capturing both parts of the bushing's inner sleeves, movement on any plane, fore, aft, lateral, and vertical is nearly eliminated. The large lug on the cradle side of the braces positively locates the cradle, ensuring it is perfectly centered under the car. The two bolts in the frame ensure the location of the cradle can't change under any form of driving. This also provides a solid jacking point at the rear of the car.
Throughout the testing process, BMR has seen an 80 to 90% reduction in fore, aft, and lateral cradle bushing deflection. A car with no other mods and stock tires that isn't driven overly hard is going to see a 90% or higher reduction, while a more race-oriented S550 with sticky tires will see slightly less of a reduction. Launching our test vehicle at over 7,000 RPM on drag radials, BMR saw about an 80% reduction in bushing deflection. Through the testing, BMR has seen a 95% or greater reduction in vertical deflection during all testing situations.
Installation of this kit is simple and can be done in your garage or driveway in about 2 hours.
For more information on BMR's CB005 Cradle Bushing Lockout Kit or any other parts for the S550 Mustang, give Kelly a call or visit bmrsuspension.com. Also, be sure to check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks, we'll see you next time.